let's answer the number one question I always get, which is how to start investing in the financial markets as a complete beginner through stocks, forex, crypto, and NFTs. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Iman and I have been in the investment space for just over a year now. Before I started, I was working as a marketing manager and I found that my life was completely revolved around work. I barely had any time to spend with friends, family, or even take care of my health. So I got to the point where I was like, okay, I need to find something different. I was severely overworked and underpaid, and I got to the point where I was like, enough is enough. I had to figure something out. I started to see people online making my entire salary within a month, and I was like, I need to figure out what these people are doing. So them traveling the world, working anywhere, it was a dream of mine. So I started to look for ways to start learning how to make an online income. So I got introduced to the investment space, but it was very hard for me to find someone to listen to because there's so many people claiming that they're experts. So I decided to learn from InvestView, a publicly traded company in the United States that is available in over 128 countries worldwide, which means all of the information provided in this video can be independently verified, including the company's revenue and practices. So whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned professional, you will be able to make your initial profits and gain consistent results both manually and automatically through this platform. Now let's dive right in. There are 4 key resources that you get access to start earning within the financial markets. So the first thing you get access to is the largest financial educational platform worldwide. There you get access to over 1,000 pre-recorded videos where you can learn the ins and outs of each financial market, including forex, crypto, stocks, and NFTs. So if you have no idea what those mean, that's okay. Neither did I when I first started, but that is why our educational platform is designed to take you from beginner to advanced completely at your own pace. So these topics are covered by over 40 of our educators, where you can join live Zoom calls and watch them place their trades and provide market insights. And you can ask them your questions one-on-one, so you have the ability to earn while you learn on these calls. On top of that, you get access to so many resources to just gain a simple financial education, to manage your finances. So whether that means getting out of credit card debt, dealing with mortgages, student loans, any of these common money practices that our society tends to trap us in, all of these issues are covered within the educational platform, so you are able to manage your finances properly. So with all the educational resources that you get, this platform is designed to help you take it at your own pace and also gives you opportunities to earn while you learn within the process. So that actually brings me to resource number 2. So similar to sending a text message to your best friend or your family member, we receive trade alerts from our experts, which is in a form of a text message where they tell us exactly when to trade, what to trade, and when to get out of the trade. So it is an amazing opportunity to earn while you're learning, as you can do it as a complete beginner. So these trade alerts are available for the forex, crypto, stocks, and NFT markets. So you will be able to copy and paste trades directly into your own trading platform and start earning an online income without becoming an expert yourself. With over 40 channels, you can choose whichever expert you want to follow, and they all range in different strategies, whether it's manual or automated resources that they use to be able to provide these trade signals to us. With these options, you will be able to choose whichever educator that you enjoy learning from the most, and you can copy their exact trading strategies. So the third resource you get is Crypto Elite, powered by Endotech. Similar to Siri or Alexa, which is AI softwares that we use on a daily basis, we actually use artificial intelligence to also automate our trades for us. So whether you're working a full-time job or you're a full-time student, or you have absolutely no time to learn the skill of trading itself, that's perfectly okay. You will have automation tools like Endotech to be able to completely run your trades for you, hands-free, 100% passively. Crypto Elite offers both alpha and beta strategies depending on whether you are an aggressive or conservative trader. But the crazy thing is that normally as a retail trader, if you were to use Endotech outside of our platform, you have to put in a minimum of 50,000 US dollars. That is insane. And for institutions, they have to pay an annual fee of 125,000 US dollars every year just to use this platform. So Endotech is absolutely crazy. We get access to it for only $1,000. In addition, you also get access to C-Force. C-Force is another AI software that we also use to automate our crypto trades. C-Force is designed to capitalize on key trends within the market while also preserving your capital. With absolutely no profit sharing, you can get started with this AI for as little as 415 US. You're probably wondering by now, how do you get started? So to ensure that everybody has an opportunity to earn money online while also getting a financial education, we have made our options very affordable. So there are 4 ways that you can start. Very similar to a gym membership where you have a one-time enrollment fee and then you have a subscription fee that is charged 30 days after. So if you have a budget of $200, the first package is called Choice. So Choice is a one-time payment of $99 US with a subscription fee billed 30 days later at $99. With Choice, you get access to all of the education while also getting access to the forex channel, so you can copy and paste alerts from our experts in the forex market. And with the education, you get access to over 1,000 pre-recorded videos designed to help you learn everything that you need to know about the financial markets. You also get access to Learn Live, where you are able to watch our traders go live on Zoom calls, where you can ask them any questions, follow their strategies, and also input the exact same trades they are placing on the call. Now, if you have a budget of $500, there is the Select package. So the Select package includes all of the education from all of the pre-recorded videos to help you gain a financial understanding of the markets, access to Learn Live so you can watch our educators place trades on the call. We get access to all of the forex and crypto resources that we get from our educators, including the alert channels that they send us on a daily basis, so you have opportunities to earn while you learn in the financial markets. The Select package has a one-time fee of $300 US with a recurring subscription payment of $175 US cancelable anytime. Now, if you have a budget of over $500, we have our Premium package. So Premium includes absolutely everything that Choice and Select includes, but with Premium, you get everything related to the stock market as well, including market insights, educators, research, and trade alerts, all designed to help you earn in all of the financial markets, including the stock market. So the Premium package is a one-time payment of 600 USD, followed by the same subscription fee of 175 US. Lastly, if you're somebody like me who wants to have all the resources so you can make the most amount of money as quickly as possible, we have our best package. It is called Elite. It's also considered the fastest way to obtain financial freedom. It includes absolutely everything that we talked about in this video, from education to alerts to Learn Live, including over 1,000 pre-recorded videos designed to just help you learn everything about the financial markets. It also includes both AI softwares, Crypto Elite and C-Force. With the Elite package, you will have all of the manual and automated tools that you can use to achieve your financial goals. The Elite package has a one-time payment of only $1,500 US, with the exact same monthly subscription of $175 US. Lastly, our platform spends $0 on any type of digital ads or billboards because they would rather have people who've actually tried the platform share it with other people. So similar to Uber and Amazon, our platform gives you an opportunity to create your own business by sharing it with other people. And personally, I absolutely love sharing it. This platform has done wonders for me. It has kept me out of the 9-to-5 life. It has helped me become insanely money smart and actually learn how to properly manage my finances. And it has given me the ability to help so many people be able to achieve the exact same thing that I achieved and create their own financial independence. It's completely optional to share it. You don't have to. Over 80% of our customers simply make their money through trading and investing. Now, if you're someone who's looking to travel the world, attend events, network with 7-8-figure earners while also impacting other people's lives, then this is an option for you too. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. If you have any questions, reach out to me on Instagram and I will send you the link to get started right away. I'll see you on the other side.